Okay, this has had a few hours to dry, so I like to have it fairly hard before I put my tape on. So this is a fairly good tape to use. There's different tapes out on the market. So what you want to do is just get that set onto the top of the baseboard, as close to the wall as possible. Now, I like to do this when I'm painting the trim and the wall. Just put some tape on. I find that it gives the crispest, the most straight line. Then take something hard. I use this little tip on the end of my knife. You're not pressing too hard, you're just ensuring that the edge is completely tight. Then you want to put your first coat of paint on. You want to feather it out so you don't have it too built up. And what I like to do is remove the tape right away. I know some people might worry about it dripping when I put my other coat of paint on the wall, but I use such a good quality roller, I really don't get drips. If anything, it'll fall onto the floor as opposed to the trim, and you don't want to leave that tape on too long to get your best line. You want to remove that tape right away. And there, that's a very nice straight line. And I'll show you what I do for the second coat once that is, dry and ready for recoating.